This video will show you how to do online configurations for iStarTech GPS tracker, and choose the right installation position in your vehicle. Please note, this video is suitable for the following products. Please prepare an iStarTech USB cable. To easily configure device, first, please insert a SIM card into the device. Connect the device's red and orange wires to the positive pole, black wire to negative. Finally, connect device to computer by the USB cable. After power on the device, the indicators start flashing. Double-click the driver and follow the prompts to install it. After installing the driver, open the device manager. We can see the currently available ports. Later we will use COM3 to set the parameters. Open the monitoring platform website and log into your account. Click Business, then select Sub-account and click Add Device. Determine the device model VT150. Different models have different IP and port. Later we need to set this IP and port to the device. Select the card type, enter the IMEI number from the back of device. Finally, click Submit. The device is added successfully. Click Monitor, you can see the device you added is in the account now. Open Computer Device Manager, you can see the port is COM3. Open iStarTech Parameter Editor, please select COM3, then click Open. The tool reads the device's information. If you click Read All, you can see all current parameters of the device. Under GPRS, you need to input the SIM card APN. For example, APN is Internet. Enter IP and port, such as device.istarmap.com and 9094. You can check the correct IP and port when you add device and platform. When the vehicle is off, you do not need the device to upload data frequently. So if you want to reduce data traffic, you can set the ACC off interval longer, such as 600 seconds. Note 1. This function needs you to connect the device ACC cable to the vehicle ACC. 2. When platform receives data interval more than 600 seconds, will display device offline. After input all this setting, please click Write. Under Main, you can set many things. It is recommended to keep the default driving behavior parameters. If the sensitivity is not enough, adjust it according to the instructions in the manual. For example, enable ACC off stop. Device will not update GPS data when vehicle off. It will reduce location static drift. This function also needs you to connect device ACC cable to vehicle ACC. Otherwise this function is invalid. Let's close this port and open COM tool. For VT150, the baud rate is 115,200. This data server 1 is the device sending to server. Here is the time of UTC midnight. If it is the same as AQTL time, means this data is the real-time data, otherwise it is the history data. This A means the device is positioned. If V means GPS signal is too weak, you need place the device outside to get stronger GPS signal. Now, go back to platform and click Monitor. You can see the device is online and showing its status. Before installing the device, please prepare the following items: host, nano SIM card, voltmeter, screwdriver, cable ties, pliers, insulating tape, etc. First, we need to find the positive, negative, and ACC of the power supply. Generally speaking, this screw on the car is grounded. Please connect device black cable to it. This red wire is drawn from the vehicle battery. When ignition off, it still has the same voltage as vehicle battery. Connect the red wire of the device here. We recommend two methods. One is the 16-pin OBD interface. Usually pin 16 is the positive pole. You can connect the wire behind pin 16 to device red wire. 2. Find the power supply from the fuse box. As long as the voltage is the same as the vehicle battery. When ignition off, it is fine. White plugs like this one on the car usually have ACC power supply. For example, this red wire. When ignition is off, the voltage is 0. When ignition is on, the voltage is the battery voltage. We recommend two ways to find ACC power supply. 1. Cigarette lighter. The power supply of the cigarette lighter is ACC power supply. 2. Use a voltmeter to find it in the fuse box. Most of the fuses are ACC power supplies. Any fuse that has no voltage when ignition off, and has voltage when ignition on can be used. Device orange wire, connect to the ACC power supply. Device black wire, connect to the grounded screw. Device red wire, connect to the positive pole of battery. At this time, the device indicators start flashing. After all wires are connected, wrap them with insulating tape, secure them with cable ties and hide them. We recommend two locations to install device. One is pillar A. The other one is pillar B. The location can get the best GPS signal. For example, let's install the device in pillar A. First, open the door. Then remove the tape. Finally, remove the plastic panel with a screwdriver. The first method is to install the device on the top of the panel, and make the device front side face glass. The second method is to install the device at the bottom of the panel. Also need to make the front side face glass. After fixing the device, run along the wire through the plastic gap. Then connect power supply to the device. Now put the plastic panel back to its previous position. In this way, the device is hidden and GPS signal is excellent.
Shenzhen iStarTech Technology Company Limited, founded in 2015, specializes in development and production of cutting-edge IoT devices for long-term reliability, including 4G vehicle trackers, portable trackers, 4G AI dashcams, and 4G 5G wireless routers. With our expertise in software and hardware solutions of GPS location and 4G 5G wireless network connectivity, iStarTech has become a global leader in IoT industry, equipped with dust-free workshop featuring 13 high-speed SMT lines, 2 baking machines, 2 reflow soldering ovens, 1 X-ray machine, 2 experienced assembly lines. iStarTech standardized operation processes ensures product quality and monthly GPS tracker production capacity up to 40,000 pieces. All iStarTech devices need to pass 12 times of quality inspections, such as raw material inspection, AOI inspection, I/O function testing, 36-hour aging testing. iStarTech products qualified rate at a high level of 99.5% and maximum trouble-free operation time of 43,800 hours. iStarTech is confident in providing you with 3-year quality guarantee. iStarTech R&D team provides strong technical support, enabling us to obtain many ODM and OEM projects, awarded various certifications such as ISO 9001, CE, FCC, 3C, ROS, and passed various national product certifications such as Anatel, NBTC, LTFRB, AIS 140. Looking forward a long time, win-win corporation.
Shenzhen iStar Tech is one of the leading manufacturers of GPS trackers, 5G and 4G wireless routers since 2015.
Welcome to visit us!